Hi Stampers, welcome back. I'm Nancy Novak. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today we're going to do something different. I'm calling it Mystery Monday, and it's different from any of the other Mystery Mondays that you've probably taken part in. Basically, I'm going to show you the card after it's done. These are the cards that we've made last week, and today I'm going to share another Excellent Eggs card with you. But again, it's totally outside the box. I'm also going to use the dies. So you're just going to have to wait and see. What is she making? Well, we've already explored the traditional Easter cards with that stamp set, and they're all beautiful, but I wanted to show you something different. So away with that, and let's bring in today's supplies. So I have a card base of Pebble Path, and white for the inside, and a little piece of Designer Series paper. And for the front, I have a piece of white, a piece of Designer Series paper, another layer of Pebbled Path, and another piece of white, and a couple of scraps. So don't worry, I will put the sizes and the supplies on my blog after the video. And also we have a nice big picture of today's card. But yeah, these are different colors, right, for that Excellent Egg bundle, something that we wouldn't normally think of. So we're going to stamp in Pebbled Path, and I'm going to stamp with the bunny first. And I'm going to stamp on this little piece right here. This is our stamping piece. So we're going to stamp bunnies all over this. And when you do that, you want to start in the middle because we're going to try to cover as much as we can. And if you start on the outside, it's kind of hard to go back in the middle without overlapping your bunnies. So you want to start in the middle and just put some bunnies wherever they fit, every which way. I'm going to bring in a little scrap paper here in case I go off the edge, it won't go on my board. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. Next, I'm going to bring in a scrap. This is the Pebbled Path, and I'm going to stamp a bunny on this, and then I'm going to cut him out with the die. So I'm going to bring the die in and cut him out real quick. Okay, so there's our little bunny. Next, I'm going to bring in the zigzag, and I'm going to cut in the Pebbled Path the zigzag using the die from the set. Okay, so there's our little zigzag. Got a little scrap here. And I'm going to bring in the Easter Bunny stamp set because I want to stamp high. Just a real simple sentiment. Just going to cut this a little smaller. Okay, so let's bring in our pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and glue the Designer Series paper to the white piece, and then I'm going to glue that to the front of the card. And then I'm going to glue our stamped image to the other Pebbled Path layer. Okay, I think I'm going to cut out one more zigzag. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to bring in our scrap, and I'm going to bring in the double oval punch, and I'm going to punch a scallop out. And then I'm going to bring in a scrap of white, and I'm going to punch a straight oval. Okay, now I'm going to glue these two pieces together. Okay, let's put this together. What am I going to make? Are you getting close to knowing what it's going to be? Or what kind of card it's going to be? So I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back and put that right on the front of our card. Okay, then we're going to bring in our zigzags. I'm just going to put the zigzags over on the right side. I'm going to put my oval right there. I'm going to go ahead and pop my oval up. And my zigzags are going to go right here. So I'm going to glue one down, kind of looking first, see where I can cut it, make it a little smaller. Okay, so I'm going to put the high right here, but I'm going to make it, oh, got to glue that down a little bit more. I'm going to put the high right on top of the zigzags. I'm going to pop that up. And I'm going to bring my bunny in and glue him down. Okay, let's go to the inside. And this is where you're going to finally figure out what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that strip of Designer Series paper at the bottom. And I'm bringing back in my Pebbled Path ink and my sentiment. There's no bunny like you. So it's a guide card using the Excellent Eggs stamp set and dies. And you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and put my zigzags, the rest of my zigzags on this side. Definitely going to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to cut that shorter. So that's today's card, Mystery Monday. We made a guide card using the Excellent Eggs stamp set and die set. And I like the little sentiment high for a guy. Just nice and simple. And there's no bunny like you. So I hope you enjoyed today's card. If you did, leave me some comments. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll know when I am doing a new video. And if you have any friends, go ahead and invite them if you think they'd like my YouTube channel. Remember, my videos are nice and short, sweet, and oh so creative. See you next time. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.